Manisha, you're unmuted.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So I may take only 10 minutes now. So let us try to understand this BCNF. So for BCNF, we have made one more assumption here. What is that assumption? It says that this area determines country name. Area determines country name. So in this case, if we consider our X and A, so X and A we take for, yeah, what is our X in this case? So our X is nothing but, so if I take it down, our X here is area, which determines, so if X determines A, this is our rule. So here our area determines the country name. So as per the third normal form, the rule is X, either this should be a super key or A should be a prime attribute. So let us try to understand, is area a super key in this example? Super key means again it should be part of this particular rule. With area is not only a super key. Only when area is combined with property ID, it will become a super key. So area is not a super key. So the first rule fails. What is the second rule? The second rule says that this second part, which is dependent, that should be a prime attribute. So country name, is it a prime attribute? Yes, country name is a part of primary key, hence it is a prime attribute. Altogether there are three prime attributes we have seen: property ID, country name and lot ID. All these are prime attributes. So since this is a prime attribute, country name, and that's why this particular dependency, that is FD5, holds, or FD1, FD2 and FD5, all three functional dependencies are allowed for third normal form. Let us see whether this is allowed for BCNF. What does BCNF say? The modified rule of BCNF, it says that when such functional dependency is there, only one thing is allowed for a relation to be in BCNF, that X must be a super key. The other rule which was there for third normal form, it is not there for BCNF. BCNF says only one rule, that X must be a super key. So all dependencies must be from the super key, it says. So in that case, is area a super key? No, area is not a super key, isn't it? Hence, this particular FD5 dependency, it holds for third normal form, but it does not hold, or it is not allowed in BCNF, and hence it has to be separated. But then this dependency has to be separated. That means these two attributes will be separated in another table. So here you can see we have divided these attributes into two parts, that area and country name we have separated, and then here we have taken property ID, area and lot. Conceptually, if you know, this is really useful, because if there are hundreds of areas or thousands of areas, then 1,000 times you will have to go on writing the country names. When the area can determine country, we can have them separately written in a table, and by joining this particular area here, area and area which are common in these two, automatically we can understand to which country it belongs by joining the table, because joining is going to reduce the redundancy. This is the inner meaning of the normalization rules what we are there, that finally remember each of the normal form helps you to reduce redundancy, helps you to separate the tables to avoid redundancy, and indirectly that redundancy is going to avoid all the problems in your query fetching. Clear? In fact, that will reduce your work of rewriting. Is it clear what is the difference in BCNF and third normal form? There is a
Yes, ma'am.
difference of 3NF
Super,
allows two things, whereas BCNF allows only one thing, that the functional dependency always should be from the super key
super key.
only. Okay, so based on this
Yes,
example we have seen, we have tried to explain BCNF. The problem is to explain your first normal form, second normal form, and third normal form. We have different examples in your textbook which are easy to understand from the company database. But if you have to understand BCNF, then only this example is allowed. But then in exam, how will you write? Of course, it will be a rare situation that they will ask you to explain BCNF, but never know. Definitely, there will be a 5 marks question to explain any of the normal form. So if they ask you BCNF, you are supposed to draw this and explain only this part. So here we have to explain the case study quickly, that this particular lots table has got this attribute. It indicates different properties which are supposed to be sold, and here property ID is one primary key. Then there is another candidate key which is the combination of country name and lot ID, which uniquely determines other attributes. So here we have a functional dependency that property ID determines country name, lot ID, and area. There is another functional dependency that country name and lot ID together they determine other two attributes. So these two functional dependencies are okay. There is one more functional dependency that the areas are fixed. Once we know the area, we can easily come to know the country name. So here we are making the assumption that all the plots belong to only two countries. There is one country called as Dekal. So for your understanding, if you find it difficult to remember those country name, you can consider this country name to be India and Sri Lanka. So in India, what is allowed? uh, in Sri Lanka, the plots, since Sri Lanka is small, you can assume that all the plots which are ranging from zero point 0.1 acre to 1 acre, all the small plots belong to Sri Lanka, and all the bigger plots, that is from 1 acre above, all those belong to India. So when we know the area, we will be easily able to tell which country the particular plot belongs to. If the plot is of the size 0.5 acres, then we can immediately tell that it belongs to Sri Lanka. So this functional dependency we have to analyze for the third normal form rule and BCNF. So we have to write these the rule of BCNF, that when such functional dependency X determines A exists, then X must be a super key. So here the functional dependency area determines CN. So here you can see area determines CN, country name is there, wherein area is not a super key, and hence the table is not in the BCNF. So we have to separate this relationship. Which relationship we have to separate? That area determines country
area.
name. So this have to be separated, and hence by this decomposition we have brought our table into Boyce Codd normal form. Is it clear? So this is the
Yes, ma'am.
normalization technique. So all these normal forms, I hope they are clear. I have to just share you this uh, normal form. So what I will do is BCNF, I will try to make the notes simpler, but we will take this case study only. I will share it with you. And then if you want to study the same lots for even second and third normal form, so even this additional notes I will give above along with BCNF. So all of you understand that these are the additional notes. Either you can study this from the other set of notes or from this notes. Clear? So I will mark this additional notes with some other font, so that if you want, this is optional for you, but then this Boyce Codd will be in the normal form which you will study from this paragraph. Clear? So here we have completed our DBMS syllabus. By your cooperation, we could take so many classes here in the Zoom meeting. I know that other students who have not attended have missed it, and I have recorded the sessions for them, but it is difficult for me to share. I'm trying it, but with my limited net accessibility here, I don't know whether I'll be able to share now. Okay, what is my concern is whether all other students have done the journal programs or no. All of you. Have you all executed the journal programs? Cursor related? I don't know. Anyways, so I will ask the feedback in the WhatsApp. So all of you please reply whether you have executed or whether you had any difficulty. You can even contact me individually. Okay, I'll be there to help you. So we may have a kind of revision class for journal program somewhere in the coming week. Till then, all of you please study the notes and be prepared for exam. Today, Venugopal sir was asking what is the status of students' attendance. I was telling them not even 50%. It is just a 25% of the students who are attending. One third, in fact, not 25, more than 25, but one third. About syllabus, I have completed all the journal programs and theory as well, all the 5 units. I hope it is understandable or you have understood. Anyways, if there are any doubts, I'm always there. Fine. So let us wind up with today's
Yes, ma'am.
session. Fine. I will unmute others if you have any doubt. Do you have any doubt here? Yes, Megan, the things are clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, anyways. So study well, make use of this lockdown because DBMS knowledge definitely it will help you in all your future software developments. Fine. Okay. So let us stop end the meeting now.